I JV Dr. Veena Diwan. Today's our topic is silent feature of Foreign Arbitral Award. The Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 is significant leap forward in the field of alternative dispute resolution (ADR) mechanism. The Act provides for a speedy and friendly resolution of dispute, which is very much needed, taking into consideration the delays and expense in the process of court litigation. Earlier, there were different laws relating to arbitration, and the 1996 Act is consolidated version of all such laws. Following are some of the key features of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. The 1996 Arbitration and Conciliation Act provides the procedure not for only for domestic arbitration but also include international commercial arbitration. The 1996 Act is a law that relates to enforcement of foreign arbitration award and ensure for a greater autonomy in the process of arbitration and puts a limit on the intervention of the judiciary. As the name suggests, Arbitration and Conciliation Act deal with two areas or type of proceedings: arbitration proceeding and conciliation proceeding. There is a clear difference that is mentioned in 1996 Act between the proceedings of arbitration and conciliation. The provisions that relate to the process of arbitration are contained in Part 1, which includes Chapter 1 to 9, while the provisions that relate to the process of conciliation are real in Part 3, that includes Section 61 to 81. The Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 integrates the Arbitration Act 1940, the Arbitration Act 1937 and the Foreign Awards Act 1961. The 1996 Act consolidated and put together all the three different enactments. Though the three acts have been consolidated, the provision regarding each of the acts have been kept distinct with the 1996 Act. The 1996 Act includes the application of the provision relating to Section 5 of the Limitation Act regarding the delay in filing the objection. The 1996 Arbitration and Conciliation Act introduced some changes of which the following are worth taking note. It's an impartial, fair and just manner without any delay, a big expenses. Autonomy of the party is the paramount consideration. The arbitral tribunal has a duty to act fairly. An important element of a new Arbitration 1996 Act following the unilateral modern law in step with other modern arbitration law is the principle of party autonomy that runs through the entire fabric of the Act. The concept of the party autonomy makes the central theme of the 1996 Arbitration Act. The expenses used in the Act, unless otherwise agreed by the party, with the agreement of party, if the party in dispute have expressly authorized. Another significant feature of the Arbitration Conciliation Act 1996 is that the intervention of the court in the proceeding has been minimized. The Arbitration Act 1996 does not prescribe any time-bound procedure for making of an arbitral award. The Arbitration Conciliation Act takes based into consideration all the essential ingredients necessary to providing an easy and unambiguous procedure for dispute resolution. Thank you so much.